The SVR controller, how to use. Always start by long pressing the home button to recalibrate the controller. Then, make your selection using the trigger found on the bottom. Click, and you'll jump into the next scene. Look around and see what you want to do. Let's try wild immersion. Now let's get up close and personal with an African lion. Once in the module, you can click the trigger to get some video controls. Or click the back button to get out of this learning module. To go back, you can also click on the arrow at the top left. You can long press the home button anytime to recalibrate the pointer. It's that easy.